here's the kind of example I was talking about. What are we going to do if we try to use option 2? So let me first do this by option 1. Take the natural log of both sides. Apply the power rule. Well, here you have to be careful, very careful on this left-hand side. That entire exponent is natural log of 3. That entire exponent is x plus 5, I mean. And we have to apply the power rule for logarithms on the right-hand side as well. Usually what we see being done is distributing that number. Natural log of a number is a number, as long as it's within the domain. So some number that we're just writing as natural log of 3 is going to get distributed the x plus 5. Now, to a lot of people, that starts to look pretty messy. Well, if you just remember, natural log of 3, natural log of 8 are just numbers. Let's get the terms with x together on one side and terms without x on the other. So I'll subtract the natural log of 3 times x from both sides. If that was 8x minus 3x, you'd combine the like terms and get 5x. The way you're getting 5x is subtracting the coefficients. It's almost like we're factoring the x out. Same thing's going on here. Factor that x out. And then whatever that mess is times x, it's just a number. So divide both sides by that to get x alone. So let's get that put into the calculator. In the denominator, we're going to have to be really careful again. We want it to know that entire natural log of 8 minus natural log of 3, that is the denominator. The multiplication in the numerator, that's all that's going on, so we don't have to worry about that as much. We don't have to put parentheses around that. So I won't. Around that denominator, natural log of 8 close parenthesis minus natural log of 3 close parenthesis. This one was also supposed to be rounded to the thousandths place. So that's 3 places out. And that's going to round down because the 4, the place after we're supposed to round to, that's going to round that down. We're going to have about 5.600. Checking that. If we were to put that into this exponent, 5.600 plus 5, that'd be 3 to the power of 10.600. Whereas we're just putting in the 5.600 as a power of 8. And it's because of the rounding that these are that far off. But still, 114,100 something. They're both pretty close.